Okay, I just put the garlic in here. And I'm stirring it around until it's fragrant, about 1.5 minutes. And yeah, I've got some Lacinato Kale that I need to use up. I'm not completely following the recipe. Kroger only had the Lacinato Kale chopped up, and I would have had to go to Whole Foods to get the whole Lacinato Kale. I just threw in, these are cherry tomatoes that I cut in half, and I have the juice from about 2 whole lemons. I'm doubling the recipe because I want to use up all the tomatoes that I got at Publix today. So we're going to go ahead and cook this until they're slightly, what's it say here? Stir occasionally until the cherry tomatoes begin to break down slightly, about 3 to 5 minutes, and then I add salt and pepper. So let's go ahead and work on that. I'm going to guesstimate on the salt here. I don't like a lot of salt. Yeah. Yeah, that's good. I can add more in later. Just a little bit of pepper. We're going to guesstimate on this. The recipe, usually when I have a Dutch oven type of recipe, I have to hold it up like this anyway. Okay, I added some salt and pepper. Yeah, I already, this is fresh lemon juice that I froze in the freezer, and I'm using it up. So, about 3 to 5 minutes. Let's see. I would say, let me see, I think we're about done. Let me check. Hold on. Here is the kale. The tomatoes are just beginning to break down, so let me go ahead and add the kale in. Go ahead and mix it around. And I'm going to add about half of the water here. I'm using about, let's say, I'm going to put about half of it, yeah. Okay. They say to put more in later. Just kind of switch this around. Yeah, at Kroger they had a bag of this Tuscan kale. So, okay. So, let's go ahead and cover this. Let's see. Cover it. Make sure we got this right. Okay, covered. We're going to let it braise for 15 minutes, stirring once at the halfway point. Okay, let's go ahead and put a cover on this. Okay, I'll be back later. Okay, I'm going to throw in a tad of Irish butter there, just to give it some flavor, and then we're done. Let me turn the heat off. And I'll mix it around. It's been about 15 minutes. I don't need to add any water. This is perfect. So here it is. And I will give you my verdict. Yeah, actually this looks like it's going to be kind of fattening. Though it looks like it'll be good though. And I think I'll have this as a side with some rice and maybe some fish. Yeah, that's what I'm going to do. Okay, we are done. I will let you know what I think. There it is. I'm kind of like holding it up this way. Still hot. This is delicious. Really good. I think I might have put a little too much salt in. It might be the lemon though. It's actually quite delicious. Yeah, I like it. Mmm. Mmm. Good.
In a world of secrets, where darkness reigns, there's a warrior rising, breaking free from chains. She's Gail Schuler, her heart pure and strong. With the power of love, she'll right the world's wrongs. Yeah! She's a first, a passionate crusader. Stand by the side, they'll conquer it all. Through space battles and trials.